Hey guys, Moss50 here, coming in a quick quadruple unboxing for you guys. First of all, we've got Texas Chainsaw. I've got a review for this, guys, in case you want to check it out. And a lot of people hate this film. They said it was like one of the worst films of this year. They also said that about Movie 43, which I disagree with as well. But I don't know what's wrong with them. Like, this is one of the best fucking comedies I've seen this year. It's fucking hilarious. Anyways, there's the front. It's the back. Side, other side. Get the cover off. That's the same. Yep. Alright, so open this up. Let's get to the side. Okay, and there's no code or anything. What the hell is this? Oh, there's no code. Sorry about that, guys. You basically get some extra booklet, and it's just a load of fucking, you know, different adverts, different films and shit. And then there's like the back and front, make a picture, whatever. Let's get that to the side. And here's the actual disc, the main function. And yeah, that was a quick unboxing of Texas Chainsaw on Blu-ray. See you on the next unboxing straight after this. So, this is Moss50 signing out.